Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the perfect, that's right, I said it, the perfect eyebrow for you. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying the NYX Set It Don't Fret It powder using a light fluffy eyeshadow brush. This powder is going to help keep my eyebrows from getting oily throughout the day and stay nice and matte. And I'm also going to be lightly pressing the powder into my eyebrows. Next, I will be using an eyebrow brush and lash comb to brush my eyebrow hairs in an upward motion going away from my face. Now, you want to do this to ensure that everything will stay in place once you apply your eyebrow product. In this video, I will be using an eyeliner from Nickak, New York in the shade Brown. And when filling out your eyebrows, ladies, always use a brown shade for your eyebrows. Never use the color black. Trust me, black is going to make your eyebrows look very manly and harsh, and we do not want that. When filling out my eyebrows, I like to underline the bottom of my eyebrows first. Now, the key to getting a natural eyebrow look is to outline or follow the natural shape of your eyebrows. Also, remember to start behind the front of your brow to avoid creating any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to outline the top portion of my eyebrow and connect the two lines that I made together, creating a tail. Lastly, I'm going to lightly create a line in the front of my brows, giving my eyebrows that gradient transition from light to dark. And ladies, one major thing you all must remember is your eyebrows are not identical twins or even cousins. They are two unique individuals residing on the same place on your face. So with that said, do not get discouraged if you are not perfectly creating the same eyebrows, because with patience and practice, they will look gorgeous. So this is what both of my eyebrows look like filled in, and now here comes the fun part. I'm going to be using the Warm Honey LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm using a small tapered concealer brush to clean up my brows. This brush is going to help me get as close as possible without messing up my eyebrow shape. Using a concealer is definitely optional, but it does help make your eyebrows look way more professional and polished. And the reason why I'm using a lighter concealer on the bottom is so that way I can get that freshly waxed look and have my eyebrows stand out on my face. I also like to start a little lower than my eyebrow just in case I want to go back and add some more products. And as you all can see, I did go back with the eyeliner and thicken up my eyebrows some more. And if you all want to see me do a tutorial using a brow pomade or a brow powder, definitely just let me know in the comments and I'll get that video for you guys. Now I'll be using a straight flat eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer. You guys, blending is so key to get your eyebrows to look professional, so definitely get the blending, girl. And I'm also going to be using a tapered eyeshadow brush so I can get closer to my eyebrow and blend out the rest of the concealer. Now, you can definitely stop right here and have yourself some nice natural popping eyebrows. But if you are feeling a little extra like myself, then you can definitely use another concealer that is closer to your skin complexion to outline the top of your eyebrows. This time I am going to be using the color Fawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is also a lot more closer to my complexion. Again, I'm not starting too close to the top of my eyebrow, and I'm making sure to take my time with this step. Ladies, definitely take your time with this step because this can go either good or bad very quickly, and you do not want to have to start all over. I'm also going to be using the same two brushes to blend out the concealer again on the top of my eyebrow. Lastly, I'm going to use the same powder to set everything in place. You always want to make sure anything liquid that you apply, you go back and set it with the powder. And voila, perfect eyebrows. Alright you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below and also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But most importantly, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!